I am in a wheat field just west of Vernon, Texas, out here with a couple Gleaner combines. Got stripper heads on them. Let's check this out. You can see the wheat crop here. So here is the wheat that is not harvested, and then you can see the stripper head just comes in here and just sucks the tops right off of that. Now everyone's always ripping on the Gleaners, but you know what? I'm not seeing any grain down there, and you won't. These Gleaner jokes just get old after a while, but I'm just showing you. Nothing down here.
In this video, you will see two Gleaner S98 Super Series combines. Both of these combines are running an Applequist Manufacturing Falcon 136 stripper head. You'll also see them running a Massey Ferguson 8737 S Series tractor, pulling this Unverferth model 1620 grain cart. I shot this footage back in June. The night before they were in this field here, they had all 7 of their combines. This is a combination of Johnson Farms and Wilson Harvesting running together here. If you've not seen the video I did with those guys with the MacDon Draper heads on, I'll put the link to it at the end of this one. You can check it out. But between the two crews, they are running a total of 7 of these Gleaner S98 Super Series combines. I've done videos with stripper heads in the past. Those were all Shelbournes. This is my first video with these Applequist Manufacturing heads right here. I believe these are manufactured in Kansas. And here's a few drone pictures I took of their fleet all lined up. You can see all 7 of the combines right there. 2 of the Massey Ferguson tractors and grain carts, all their semis and whatnot. Now they were done cutting with the MacDon Draper heads. At this moment, they were switching over to the strippers before they move on to their next stop up in Oklahoma. The stripper head you see here is like a big vacuum cleaner. It's sucking that head right off the top of that wheat plant or the stem, just running the wheat through the combine, leaving all that straw. But I'm told a lot of guys like this for conservation practices, leaving that whole plant or that stem wheat stalk in the field there, just for better coverage, ground cover, whatnot. Also in the wintertime when they get snow in these drier climates, that snow will hold here and will not blow away. And as you can see, they are moving quite along in this video. that's going to do it for this video. If you would go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often. I am always filming, editing, and uploading new content all of the time. You can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.